Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to change Ford Fusion 2016 headlight easy method. Start by parking on level ground, turning the ignition off, and opening the hood to access the headlight assembly. Remove the battery cover or trim if needed, unplug the connector, twist the bulb socket counterclockwise, and pull the bulb straight out. Install the new bulb without touching its glass, reconnect everything, and test the light. Use gloves and safety glasses when handling bulbs, and disconnect the battery if you will work near electrical components. Have a 10 mm socket, trim tool, and replacement bulb that matches your bulb type and brightness. Avoid touching the bulb glass to prevent premature failure, and handle clips gently to avoid cracking plastic. If access is tight, remove the battery or airbox for extra space, then reassemble carefully and retest alignment after installation. Quick recommendation: if you want a fresher ride after working under the hood, grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a pleasant cabin scent and long-lasting freshness. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy car tutorials. Check the description for the link and other deals to save time and money on supplies. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Common problems include condensation, uneven beams, or flickering after installation, which usually signal a poor seal or loose connector. Inspect the headlight housing for cracks and replace gaskets or reseal with silicone if needed. Check connectors for corrosion and use dielectric grease to protect contacts. Aim headlights on a flat surface 20 to 30 feet from a wall and adjust bolts until beams align evenly with manufacturer specifications.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.